Dear colleagues, by way of introduction, I am Inga and I am in charge of Lithuanian Library for the Blind. It is my honor to join this conference and to share our experience on implementation of Marrakesh Treaty. Our institution is the only library in Lithuania which organizes the publishing of books and publications in formats accessible for people with print disability. Visually impaired people form more than 10% of our population. The library also advises other institutions on the accessibility to information in specific formats and provides the support to visually impaired readers. Our vision can be summarized in one statement: everyone can read. According to statistics, only 15% from total publications in Lithuanian language are converted in formats accessible for our readers. Similar patterns are in other European countries, and we all understand that it's a very small part of publications being accessible for people who cannot read regular text. Our readers, including ethnic minorities in Lithuania, need publications in both local and foreign languages. We aim to increase the amount of accessible format copies and content. We are partnering with publishers, librarians of Lithuania and foreign countries. Such cooperation allows libraries to create equal opportunities for all residents and ensure that everyone can read the same book at the same time. And we have a powerful instrument to achieve this goal, the Marrakesh Treaty. The full name is the Marrakesh Treaty to facilitate access to published works for persons who are blind, visually impaired, or otherwise print disabled. The treaty is intended to develop international cooperation. It is the first copyright treaty based on human rights principles. This treaty created an international legal framework that allows copies of works to be made in special formats and distributed to people who cannot read regular text. It is very important to emphasize that under the Marrakesh Treaty, the beneficiaries are people who are unable to read visually. An example, the blind, visually impaired, with perceptual disability or a reading disability who cannot focus or hold the book in their hands. In compliance with copyright, it is very important to ensure that these publications are only distributed to people with these disorders. Libraries have the right to cross-border exchange of resources. And it is very important because service is usually provided by non-profit organizations with limited financial resources. Lithuania was one of the first to sign the Marrakesh Treaty, which is fully implemented from 2018. According to WIPO, as of today, more than 90 countries have already acceded to the Marrakesh Treaty, including Baltics. Sharing the best practices, reaching agreements on practical information exchange, and celebrating success stories are key conditions for achieving the goals of the treaty. People who read differently will dare to take advantage of this opportunity, and library staff shall become aware on how to implement the treaty in practice. One of such events on practical implementation of the treaty took place in September 2019 in Vilnius. Our library, together with Eiffel organization, organized a workshop, Marrakesh Treaty Getting Started, for specialists from neighboring countries, librarians, publishers. The workshop focused on the cross-border exchange of accessible format copies, and the seminar was attended by specialists from Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, Belarus, Poland, Russia, Finland, Canada, Great Britain, and the USA. Issues discussed included exchange of publications, legal issues, special format publishing, and technology solutions. Together with Jonathan Band, one of the speakers at the workshop, the guidelines for implementation of the Marrakesh Treaty were approved and adopted in local regulation. Such a seminar has proved that special libraries having resolved practical issues and developed methodological guidelines can continue to work with libraries in their own countries and provide services and support to people who read in their own way. There are two main ways to exchange accessible format copies between EU countries. By contacting foreign libraries directly and using international platforms for exchanging such publications. In Lithuania, we use both methods. For instance, after the workshop, our library started the cooperation with Księżnica Podlaska Library in Poland and continues to exchange publications with colleagues from Estonia. Being unable to offer books in Polish language, now we can offer 16 titles of publications received after the workshop. These books were downloaded from our virtual library nearly 200 times in 3 months. And I think it's a very good result. The Marrakesh Treaty applies not only to exchange of publications between EU countries. Lithuania is currently preparing a regulation on exchange of publications with third countries. As a coordination institution at the national level, the library will be able to provide support and consultations to other authorized institutions and resolve issues. We are happy to share practical experience of such an exchange. And last month, an Indian citizen with print disability who is studying Indo-European languages and needs access to publications in Lithuanian applied to our library, and we granted him such an opportunity. Such experiences give us the confidence that we are moving in the right direction. The workshop held in Vilnius accelerated connection of the library to the ABC network, accessible book consortium network, and cooperation agreement was signed in 2019, and metadata are currently being transferred. Libraries' participation in the international exchange system can also be useful for all libraries of the country, whose readers are usually unable to read publications in other languages. The most important goal is to provide our readers with unrestricted access to accessible format copies, and we must achieve this by using every opportunity. Our library shares knowledge with other libraries, culture, and educational institutions. The initially planned seminars for Lithuanian librarians were cancelled due to the pandemic situation. Currently, they are taking place in a number of Lithuanian cities where our library specialists share knowledge, experience, and guidelines for the implementation of the treaty. It is very important that Lithuanian libraries to know that they can also serve readers who cannot read regular text and give them an access to information resources. We are happy to share the adapted content with colleagues, and our aspiration is that print-disabled reader who comes to any Lithuanian library will receive the information he or she needs. The Marrakesh Treaty gives us the opportunity to enrich this content and serve our audience even better. We hope that in the near future, there will be more and more success stories, not only in ours, but also in other Lithuanian libraries. And this quote is an example of appreciation from one of our readers. The cooperation with other local and foreign libraries and other authorized institutions is a key for the success in achieving our vision. Everyone can read. Libraries are crucial to the success of this fundamental treaty, and librarians have a key role in ensuring that people who cannot read regular text have the best possible access to publications tailored to them. We became convinced of this cooperation with our Estonian colleagues and colleagues from other countries, because without their help, we would be simply not be able to offer publications in other languages. Our library seeks to raise awareness on the Marrakesh Treaty and to promote the exchange of publications with authorized institutions. I would like to finish my presentation with an African proverb: if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go too far, go together. So let us go together, and thank you.